Why, hello. Didn't see you there, friend. So, this is a part 2 of the beginning of the build on the front bumper. I freaking globbed that shit off cam. I freaking loaded it up, okay? This is solid. Basically, I had everything tacked. Long story short, that got disconnected from that because I ran out of wire and didn't tack that, only this. So this side's the only side that's solidified. But I freaking beated the shit out of this side. And I honestly had to fill a gap about as big as your mother right here. And I did a decent job, all right? Listen, and you may be hating. I also capped the ends. Those were big-ass gaps to fill with welding, okay? So, cut me a break. I'm not a professional, so chill the fuck out in the comments, please. Thank you, okay? I know it looks like dog shit, all right? You don't have to tell me. I already know. That's why I'm giving you guys limited visibility of the weld. But yeah, so, essentially... Wow, my thing was focusing like I had autism. Okay, so basically, I'm going to pull the truck in. I'm going to put this on. I'm going to position this on. Tack this end onto there. And then finish weld that. So that's all done. And I'm also going to take a grinder and grind these ends to make them kind of nice. So hopefully they look half decent. And I'm going to grind that. I'm basically going to grind everything I've welded that I just told you, or until this grinding wheel is gone, is basically the plan. So yeah, in a nutshell, that's what we're going to do. Might as well get to it, right, boy? Yo, so, finished grinding. I'd say not bad for me freaking using just a welder to patch that entire hole up. But yeah, I took the grinder and I didn't hit that yet, okay, but I hit everything else. I hit that, I hit a few little spots I had to repair on my little bar. You can hear all the shit inside of this because I fucking didn't dump it out before I welded both ends shut, like, because I'm stupid. That one got a bunch of ground stuff on. But yeah, I'd say it turned out decent, to be honest. For what I did, I'd say I didn't do half bad. I'm not a pro, okay? Like I said, that's why I didn't show you guys my welds up close, but yeah. So, I'll de-shoot myself. So now basically the plan for real is to, you know, set this up in there, how it's going to go, bolt it up with the one bolt I have, and then I guess get that other one in there and get her going here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my trusty string again, like I did in the last video, to hold up the main support, just to give it extra support since it'll just be on that one bolt right there. And then I'm going to hold it up, and then I'll take that piece and I'll, you know, get it bolted in on the one end, so that takes care of the bottom, and then I just have to pull the top together to line the top up where it has to go, and then that can go on. I have this little chunk left, and I'm going to see if it's long enough when this is positioned where it needs to be to reach from here where this plate will be, up like this, something like that maybe, to meet this cross pipe. One of the supports, we'll see, because like I said, I'm going to use all 4 of the stock mounting locations. That's why I made this template, because this will be the next bracket that needs to get made. As you can see, here's my trusty template. It's mint, and that's what I'll be using to make my plates when the time comes, because of course that's aluminum, so I can't use it. So anyways, let's get this mocked up, and I'll cut to the time lapse of me tacking it up and freaking laying the dime. You know the vibe. Well, guys, there it is, the base shell of it, finished. Welded all up good. Ends capped, brackets attached and finally welded. So this is all solid now. I have to grind some spots still, but I'll do that when I do finished grinding at the end. main part of it is done now. My skid plate is gonna go along this section. I'm gonna put another support piece across here. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do one that ties off of here, like I showed you guys, I think already, to this plate, and then I probably will do one that comes out all the way out to the edge and goes diagonal back in, like something like that, maybe. I don't know. We'll see once I get those brackets going, but for now, guys, that is gonna end the video for today. I really, I tried. Set the hood on my head. Do it. Yup. Ow. That's pretty much all I got time for. I mean, it's getting close to the end of the day. I gotta pack my bags to go out of town. And I'm out of material, so that's gonna be the end of this anyways. But, yeah, you know, soon to come more. But, hey, until next time, stay sexy, my friends. I love you all. Thanks for the subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet and you just subscribe because you think I'm amazing and you love my Tacoma, appreciate it. But, yeah. See you guys in the next one.